My dear customers, for your questions of this air loop of the mask not in position, now we have 4 ways to solve your problems, and I hope the 4 ways can help you. The first way to solve the problems, please check the air loop not too tight. When you install the air loop, please don't pull them. If you find the air loop is too tight, please adjust this way. Adjust the rubber. Move this rubber to the upside, not downside, upside. And this one also can adjust the length of this air rope. When you need the air rope longer, move this one to the upside. If you need the air rope to be short, please also move this one to the downside. This is the first way. And the second way, please make sure your air loop, the cutting position, the air loop must approaching the top blade of the sensor. The top blade. This one approach to the top blade, not the down blade. Not this one, this one. When you need to adjust this sensor, please make sure 2 ways. This screw and this one, it can adjust the angle of this sensor. If you want to adjust the distance, you need to these 2 and these 2 screws to shifting this sensor scissor inside or out. This is the second way. And the third way is this third motor, the arranging point of the third motor. Please make sure this gap matching this sensor. If not matching, please adjust them. When the gap matches this sensor, the red light will showing. And this is the third way we adjust the air rope. And the fourth way, I hope this one will not happen. This welder and this mold, the distance between them, I hope they'll not have difference with this one. Make sure these 2 distances are the same. And if we found it's not same, maybe this one have loose. The welder and this pole have loose, so you need to adjust them. And this is the fourth way. That's all. I hope that 4 ways can solve your problems, my dear customers. Thank you.